Nishta in Vrindavan, Nishta in a lilas stali. So as this happens, just see. So the Sakhis can, to some extent, relish the sweetness of Radha and Krishna, but because the Mandris, the Kinkaris of Radha, because of their extreme intimacy and heart-to-heart seva connection with Radha and Krishna, the Kinkaris and only Radha's maidservants, the Mandris, which means the Kinkaris, they get to relish all the sweetness of Madhupati Sham and Madhuri Radha, especially when they're enjoying their most intimate and confidential pastimes. They're Nimbrita Nikunja. They're Nimbrita Nikunja Rahasya Rati Keli Lila. Nimbrita Nikunja Rahasya Rati Keli Lila. Very nice. Nimbrita Nikunja Rahasya Keli Lila. Rati Keli Lila. This means in a secluded, private forest bowers of Vrindavan, Nibrita. There's kunjas, nikunjas, there's kunja, nikunj, and Nibrita Nikunj. Teen cheese. Some Ved. There's kunja, there's kunj, there's nikunj, and Nibrita Nikunj. Kunja, all around in the Yoga Pit, in the Gupta Kund Yoga Pit in the morning, and Nandagaon, in the Radhakund Yoga Pit, and Lalita Kunj, and the Govinda Stali in Vrindavan, and Ratri Lila Yoga Pit. There's kunjas, Astamandri kunjas, Astasaki kunjas, Astupasaki kunjas, then Upasakis, and 8 kunjas, and 16 kunjas, and 32, and 64, and 108, and 216, and 432, and 864, and goes on. So many kunjas are surrounding the Yoga Pit. Thousands, unlimited kunjas of all the Sakis, all the millions of Yuteshwaris and millions of Sakis and Nayakas in the Yoga Pit. The kunjas. The Nikunja, Nikunja is a very beautifully arranged secret kunj that is only reserved for Radha and Krishna. The Nikunj. But many Sakis know where that is, and that Nikunj may be known by many Sakis. But Nibrita Nikunj means deep in the forest. No one knows about this kunja. No Sakis know about this kunja. This is the private forest bower of Radha and Krishna. No other Sakis know. Some Kinkaris know. And when they go out for Abhisar, when Radha and Krishna go for Abhisar, to meet in the van of Vrindavan, the Mandris, the Kinkaris, Rupa Mandri and Brinda Devi, and Yogamaya Purnamasi, and Rati Mandri, Tulsi Mandri, they make arrangements to take Radha and Krishna to a special Nikunj, Nibrita Nikunj. And that kunja is very, very secret and confidential, and that is where the Kinkaris serve Radha and Krishna, in Nibrita Nikunj.